Everybody, I wanted to do a Geek Out Friday afternoon with you. We recently got some sandpaper that was donated to the school that was really old, and I just started looking through it and found a couple of really fascinating pieces that I wanted to show them to you. So the first one is this stuff, and this was made by the Carborundum company from Niagara Falls. And if you'll notice, it says Indian head flint paper on it. Now, I've never come across flint paper before, and I looked it up, and it's just a little bit, strangely enough, like sand. It's a little bit harder, so it lasts a bit longer. But the consistency of it, if you can sort of see this, see if it will focus in, there you go. It really does look like sand, but it was just seeing this old printing on the back that I thought was just fascinating. So that was the first one that we ran across. And then the second one was this stuff. Now, this is emery cloth, and I've used it before, but this is made by 3M. Sure, we know who 3M is, but I did not know that it was the Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing Company. So this stuff is apparently crazy expensive now, but look at that beautiful, beautiful black. And there's a little pile of this in here, but the other stuff that's in here is kind of cool too. It just is some random pieces of sanding packs, but I wanted just to show you this right here so that as you turn it over, there's this guy right here standing with his shirt on, which I thought was kind of cool. Anyway, Geek Out Friday. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Take care.